In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up and export your Zoho email. It's an essential skill to master for anyone looking to secure their valuable email correspondence. Let's dive straight into it. First, you'll want to head over to the Zoho website. This is the official cloud software suite that many businesses rely on for their communication and operational needs. Once you're on the website, the next step is to locate the Sign In button, which you'll find at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your login details, so make sure you have those handy and essential to move on to access your email account. After successfully signing in, you'll be directed to the Zoho home. This serves as your dashboard, where you can manage various Zoho applications. From here, make your way to Zoho Mail by navigating to its section. Zoho Mail is where all the magic happens, as this is the space where your emails are stored and from where we'll initiate the backup process. In the Zoho Mail interface, note the settings icon, usually represented as a gear symbol. Clicking on this will open up a menu where you will see several options related to your email settings. Once in the settings, scroll through until you find the option labeled Mail. Clicking on this is crucial as it leads us to all mail-specific settings. This will include everything from managing your mailboxes to the crucial task of backing up your emails, which is what we're focusing on today. In the Mail settings, locate the Import/Export Emails option. This is the feature you'll need to back up the emails, essentially the heart of this process. By clicking on it, you'll be presented with options to either import or export your emails, providing you the flexibility to move your emails as needed. For exporting, which is our focus, select Export as EML. The EML format is a popular choice that offers compatibility across multiple email clients, ensuring that your emails can be easily accessed or imported later on. Click on this export option, and Zoho Mail will guide you through the final steps of selecting which emails you want to back up. It's as simple as that. By following these steps, you'll have securely backed up your Zoho emails. Remember, regularly backing up your correspondence ensures that your important emails are safe and retrievable at any time. I hope you found this guide helpful. For more tutorials on effectively managing your digital tools, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.